2024 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 7,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Get a fast and easy price quote today